Yeah, we have a wonderful patient. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh yes, we love it. Very enthusiastic. It's like 7 p.m. That's why everybody's like a bit tired. So, lifting of the nail plate, loads of brown, yellow discoloration, possibly bacteria too. Like I said, I can put something underneath. And you can scoop things out if you really deep down want to. Just look at that. Oh yeah. But we're not gonna just scoop things out. We're gonna cut it all the way back. Remove that infected tissue. Look at the nail bed and see how much damage there is. And then we will be doing some lasers. And we're just gonna cut that back. Do you have any questions about what I'm doing? Sorry. I'm gonna clean this. Not very nice tissue there. Oh, this looks like it's going to have an ingrown toenail, so that needs to be cut back. Let me just cut this back here. Again, always a good sign when it's a little bit painful. It means there's live tissue there. The issue is that you've got this groove here that buckles upwards. So it might be just really hard for it to reattach onto the nail bed when it's buckled up like that. I'm happy with the cleaning that I've done.